everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create some spooky Halloween hair. To start, I want to curl my hair to add some texture. Section your hair and begin to curl. I'm using straighteners, but you can use any curling technique you like, as the curls don't need to be in a specific pattern for the style we're doing today. Remember to use heat protector, especially if you have coloured hair. Spritz each section with a medium hold hairspray to hold the curl. When that's done, split your hair into 2 equal sections. Twist and clip one section away so it doesn't get added to the other side by mistake. Take a thin bauble, I'm using mini elastic ones, and create a high side pony, and repeat this on the other side. When you have your high bunches, take a section of about 1/4 of the hair from the back of each pony and clip them away. With the 2 remaining sections, create buns. They don't have to be very neat, just make sure to securely grip them down so they don't unravel. Now for the fun part. Take some LED string lights and create 2 bunches, then clip them to the buns like this. When your lights are securely in place, unclip the 2 sections of hair that are still left. Take half of each section and backcomb them to add volume. Make sure to backcomb the side you can see, not behind. When one half is done, repeat the other. Flip the hair over the buns and using a smoothing brush, gently brush over the hair you've backcombed to brush out any flyaways. You can use some of the medium hold hairspray to help you. The next part can be a bit tricky, so don't panic if you don't get it right first time. Beginning at the ends of your hair, roll the ends into little circles and continue to roll the hair all the way up until you get to the bottom of the bun. You should have created a sort of little tunnel. Using hair grips, pin the hair into place. When it's secure, you can play around with the hair and move it to how you want it to look. Use as many or as little grips as you like for your desired look, and when you're happy with it, spray with a strong hold hairspray. Now we have the bases of our pumpkins, we want to bring them to life. Use some coloured card and pipe cleaners to create eyes, noses and mouths. You can be as creative as you like. I'm making 1 happy pumpkin and 1 grumpy pumpkin. Using hair gel, stick your finishing touches to the hair. Turn on your lights and voila! You've turned your hair into light up Halloween pumpkins. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. Have a great Halloween!